This video is about pure functions. Pure functions have two properties. It always produces the same output for the same arguments. For example, 4 plus 6 will always be 10 no matter what, as we said in the other video. 2. It does not change or modifies the input variable. This second property is also known as immutability. The only result of the pure function is the value it returns. They are deterministic. Programs done using functional programming are easy to debug because pure functions have no side effects or hidden input-output. When the code is written in this style, a smart compiler can do many things. It can parallelize the instructions, wait to evaluate results when need them. Let me give you a very quick example on pure functions. So first of all, let's go ahead and open our Python shell. Let's define a function called purefunc, and this takes list as input. Then let's go ahead and create a new list, which is an empty list. Then we will have a for loop for I in list, and the new list we want to append the iterator or the I multiplied by 2. Then we want to return this new list. Okay, a very simple function. All right, let's have our driver's code. So let's have original list. So we'll call it O list, and this will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for example. Then we will create a modified list, and here we will invoke our pure func list, and we will pass inside the O list as the argument or the input. Okay, good. Now to show you the difference, I will say print the original list, and here is the O list. Okay, so this is the original list. Now we will say modified list, and here we will pass the modified list. So this is a pure function, a function that takes an input and gets you an output. There is no change in inputs or outputs. As we said, 4 plus 6 will always be equal to 10. No matter what is the function, what will be inside it, it will be executed and the result will be printed as expected. There is nothing can be hidden here. The next video will be about recursion.